Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to Muni GTE. Today, we're unboxing an exciting new gadget, the Creative Sound Blaster Play 3, a high-resolution USB DAC AMP. I bought this specifically for my PC to enhance my gaming and music experience, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's start by taking a look at the outer box. As we open it up, here's what we find inside. The sound card itself, some silicone beads for protection, and of course, the user manual along with some information from Creative. Now let's take a closer look at the sound card. Blaster branding is clearly visible on the front, and there are a few important details on the back. It features two inputs, one dedicated 3.5mm jack for your microphone, and another 3.5mm jack that can be used for headphones or headsets with a mic. That's all for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.